Hey guys, welcome back to day 3 of Stitchmas, and let's see what's in our advent calendar. We're gonna see what we're adding to our bag today. Let's get those notions under control. All right, as you can see, I've got number 1, I got number 2 over here to the side. Now today, we're on to number 3. Let's check it out. Oh, look at this. I was just saying yesterday I was hoping for a bag. Oh, this is cute too. Check out this pattern. Oh, I love it. I think that is just adorable. I love the little yarn balls and the owls and the foxes. I'm so impressed so far how well themed this box is. Like the color and the same little animals. All right, so let's take a look at this a little closer here. All right, spread it open. All right, so we've got 2 handles. All right, and inside, oh, that's nice. You can drawstring it closed. So like nothing falls out. It's a little hard to do one-handed. Oh, and there's a key ring. Oh, there's even some pockets on the inside. It feels like this would be, I mean, I can't guarantee it, but it feels almost like it would be like water resistant. So let's take a look on the inside here. Oh man, that's pretty good size. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets there. It looks like the same 4 pockets on the other side. I think this is pretty cool. Well, and I think we should pull out our tape measure and give it an idea of how big this actually is. Alright, so this isn't a totally flat surface, but it looks like it's about 13.5 inches wide by, try and pull that all the way into the camera here, about 10 inches tall. It's a decent sized bag and it's very cute. I think Hobby Lobby, you are doing well. So far, everything we've gotten, I'm very happy with. I didn't expect to bag this early, which is awesome though, because we could start, as we open things, we could start putting them into the bag. I do like this. The handles to me feel a little bit on the cheap side, but I think it's pretty awesome. Today I want to talk about how do I keep my notions under control in my crochet bag. Now, a lot of crochet bags have a good amount of pockets, but I like to have everything in one place, and I like to have an easy way I can transfer notions from one bag to another. So this is the solution that I found that works for me. I like to get these boxes. They're supposed to be to keep your photos in. You get 6 boxes for $5.99 at Hobby Lobby. And if you happen to find them on sale, you can get them even cheaper. So I like these because they're clear. I can see exactly what's in there. And they're easy to, they easily snap open. And they just snap shut. And they're pretty inexpensive. So you can have quite a few of these, one for each of your project bags. Or, you know, I mean, they're not extremely sturdy. They're, you know, like an expensive plastic. So if they happen to break, they're cheap to replace too. I mean, when you're looking at, they're less than $1 each, and it's going to hold all my things. I think that's a win. So this is what works for me. I would love to hear what actually works for you. What do you keep your notions in? Your scissors, your darning needles, all that stuff. How do you stay organized? So leave me a comment today letting me know how do you stay organized in your project bag. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a day of my Stitchmas. Take care.